dried fish. Theirs is very expensive, you know. Oh my God, I cannot wait to eat this, guys. What?
Kita ko, Beshi.
Kita.
I love dried fish.
No, this is mine. This is for my birthday. Dried fish talaga, wala nang daughter-daughter. Wala nang daughter-daughter to. Sabi niya ma, kahit ulo lang sa akin. Hi guys, we're here. This is the first time finally I get my daughter with me. So yes, I asked her to be with me with my vlog since she doesn't want to be with me around when I'm doing my vlog. So now for today's video, this is all about what I've got for my birthday. I'm so thankful. So I'm gonna mention your name later once I open the stuff that I've got from you guys, and I really love all of this for myself, and this is really nice, and I really appreciate it to those who give me, my friends who came to my house, and it was really fun, and I really love it. Okay, so what you're gonna tell me? What are you going to tell me now, since it's my birthday?
Happy birthday, Bang. I hope more birthdays to come in your life, and always take care. Love you, Ma.
Okay, so okay, so this is my daughter.
Hi.
Pare-pareha po kami ng ng height, parang magkapatid lang. Marami nga po nagsabi na parang magkapatid lang po kami, which is okay. I accept it. Well, anyway, I'm gonna show you guys what I've got for my birthday. I already opened this one, but since I got my YouTube channel, so I'm gonna show it to you. So I think misplaced ko. I mean, may mga stuff na napunta sa ibang bag, but I know whose bag belongs this one. Okay, siguro nag-ano lang siya, nagkarambula na siya dito, guys. Okay, so this one, I think, so I'm not very sure, but I know who's the people that give me those kind of, all this stuff. So, this one. Yeah, try that.
Oh, the smell is very good.
Yeah, it smells really good.
I like this one.
You try this for your hair. That was last night. She tried this for her hair. She said she really liked this. She said, can I have this one? I said, okay, we can share it together. It was really good.
Yeah.
I'm not promoting stuff, but it was really good. And I think this is from Ate Arlene. Yeah. Or Angel. So I don't know exactly, either the two of them. But as long as I mention your name, guys, and thank you so much, either Ate Arlene or, but I know this one from Ate Arlene. So this is Bath Body Works Eucalyptus Rain Creamy Locks. So yeah, so I love this one. The smell is really good. So meron siyang bath oil. Sa buhok. Siguro. Kasi mahilig ako ng mga sa buhok-buhok ko eh. Kaya alam nila siguro kung ano yung gusto kong mga bagay-bagay. Okay, so kasunod lang. And then, we'll find out later. MAC. Magandang to siya. Maganda siya na brand. Okay, so no more bad hair days. Para sa mga hair. Kasi particular ako sa buhok ko. Gusto ko yung magandang buhok. Ganun ba? And then, I know this from Angel. Yeah. So, I think the first one that I opened, that was from Ate Arlene. So, this is from Angel. So, thank you so much, Dai. I love this one. I know, I have a lot already in my bathroom. Like, I cannot even use some of them. Pero, naano ko yung iba, ang super bango. So, thank you. Pang ano na to eh. Sabi mo na, Angel, pang near maintenance na siya. Siyang card. So, nababasa ko lahat ng mga love letter ninyo. Here's the other one here. The surface for this one. It's kind of special.
Yeah.
Yeah, so this is from Oh, Victoria's Secret! I didn't know this is from Victoria's Secret. Yeah, this is really expensive. Victoria's Secret is always expensive one. Thank you for making me special. Ano bigay nito? I think Narisa. Really appreciate this one. Guys, sa dami-rami nang na-receive ko kahapon, always the same mga products nila, mga perfume, lotion or whatever. Kasi sa dami, tapos ang ingay natin kahapon, tapos ang saya lang. Basta bunot na ako ng bunot, hindi ko na mamalayan kasi sobrang, ano ninyo sobrang nagpapasaya kayo, tapos hindi ko na alam kung ano yung mga nabunot ko. I just found out this is from Victoria's Secret. Oh, this one from Joy. Levi's yan. She is the only one who bought clothes for me. So, at least meron, hindi na zero. Okay, so thank you. This is from Old Navy. This is brand also. Okay, from Old Navy. I love going to Old Navy. So, I usually bought like leggings there most of the time. Slacks, I also bought there. And also, I bought shoes as well for my daughter. Love their stuff. They are a good material. From Leah Dai! She's also a YouTuber, guys. If you wanna subscribe her YouTube channel, I'm gonna put her YouTube channel here, up here. Okay? So please don't forget to subscribe her YouTube channel because she is also a YouTuber. Yeah. So she gave me a lot. My goodness. Pinagtawanan nga namin siya kahapon kasi yung mga binigay po niya, sabi namin, ano to, parang albularyo yata. Tayo mag-albularyo ka, day. Ang dami-daming haplas. Okay, so ano to siya? May lotion, skin, therapy, lotion, and then body wash. Parang kumpleto na yata. Kumpleto kung ano yung mga maisip mo na pwede mong gagamitin sa loob ng bahay, kung saan ka pupunta para sa katawan mo. Dahil ang baho-baho ko na. Ang dami mong nabigay. So, this is facial cleanser or toner. So, meron din siyang, ang dami siyang binigay So, this is Affinia. This is really good brand. Facial moisturizer. Pagod lang. Facial moisturizer. And then, meron din siyang hand wash. So, di ba kompleto? Di ba? Meron din siyang wipes. So, meron din siyang facial scrub. So, lahat ng pwede mong isipin na magagamit mo sa katawan mo, nandito po lahat. So, meron din siyang sensitive skin therapy, moisturizing lotion. Yeah, I can use this one when I go to work too. Oh, meron din siyang meron din siyang ganito. So, pwede mong gagamitin. But if you wanna drink water, you can just use this one too. Diba? O, kompleto. Pwede sa tubig. Is from my neighbor. So, I tell you guys, I got a lot of guests came yesterday. That was my neighbor, my friend from my work, and then my friends, Filipino friends. Oh my goodness, my husband told me that was really fantastic. And it was really good day for him. The best party ever na na-experience niya sa buhay po niya. So, that was just really like, everyone, so, hindi mo alam kung saan ka makinig kasi sobrang ingay kanya-kanyang grupo. Pero ang saya lang, sobra. Tapos, ang daming pagkain. So, ayan po siya.
Igutom na dyan sila! You should have a group picture.
Okay. Wow. These are all Filipino food.
Why did you have time to do all this?
I know. I didn't start from the morning, so I prepare and then hurry. You know.
Okay, where's your rice? That is fine.
Where's the rice?
Rice is life.
Rice is life.
There's no rice.
Oo, ganyan. Prepare na ko sa bukas din.
You're not a Filipino if there's no rice.
Where's the rice?
Rice is life.
Oh, sarap ng rice nila. Oh.
ang dami po niya. And yeah, so I cook all of them. So I start preparing early in the morning, and even the night before I start marinate all the stuff, and then start cooking from 12 o'clock until 5 o'clock. So I'm glad I got friend who came here to help me, and I got my daughter as well to help me, like frying stuff or whatever. So oh goodness. Okay, so this one from a neighbor. This is Cupcake Vineyard. Okay, so I can drink this too, but I'm not a drinker person. I don't drink much. I just drink a little bit just to taste it. That's all. I think me and my husband. I still have more wine there, but I have not drinking it. So no, I'm not a big fan of wine or whatever. But just put it to display. I love collecting those. Okay, so next. This is from my lovely friend. He is on the way to Jersey. So, na-drop lang po niya yung binibigay po niya, nilagay niya sa porch. You know what? This is really special since I'm a Filipina. I do appreciate this a lot, Dai. Okay. So, oh my God. I'm a Filipina, so don't worry. I love this. So, meron siyang chocolate. Okay. Yeah, meron siyang chocolate. Siyempre, kakainin ni Mimi to. For you. For you and this for me.
Wow.
Yeah, so this is dried fish.
So, guys.
Dried fish. This is very expensive, Very expensive. So, okay. I love this one. Oh my God. I cannot wait to eat this, guys. What?
Kita ko, Beshi.
Ito.
I love dried fish.
No, this is mine. This is for my birthday.
Oh.
Basta pag dried
she's
fish,
so
pag-away.
selfish.
Sabi niya sa akin, ma, kahit ulo lang sa akin.
I love dried fish.
Pag dried fish talaga, wala nang daughter-daughter. Wala nang daughter-daughter to. Sabi niya, ma, kahit ulo lang sa akin. Natatawa ako sa kanya. Pero, sure naman. Yung isang bagay na nakakatakot, guys. Kasi yung asawa ko, kasi syempre American, they always say yucks, they always say ew. But, guys, I tell you what, he tried only once. I said, you can try, there's no harm in trying. Because he was like, yeah, you can cook, but without me, as long as I go to work, or I'm not around, I'm not home, but you can cook your dried fish. But don't cook when I am around in the house. I said, okay, but there was a time that I cooked dried fish when he was there, because I was really hungry and I really wanted to eat dried fish. I said, you can try. Oh my goodness, it's really scary now, because after he tried once, and then he wants to try more and more and more. And he even go online and try to, shop dried fish online, but I don't know. But he said it's kind of expensive, but yes, it's really expensive when you buy from here in the USA. But now this is the opportunity that my friends give this to me. So I don't think how many days it will gonna be last. Well, anyway, it was really funny. But I really love this Dai Maria. Okay, she also have her YouTube channel, and you can also subscribe her channel for the sake of dried fish. Okay, so now how about your gift for me? Can you get it for me, please? Yeah, okay. So my daughter, the night before my birthday, I was really busy, and I don't know where she is, but she was inside her room, and I just never bothered to call her, to help me. I just let her go. Maybe she's doing her project, or she's doing her homework, or whatever, because she locked up her room and be herself. And then 1 hour after, and then she came out and she said, "Ma, this is for you." Oh my goodness, this really touched my heart, guys. Thank you, Mimi. Okay.
So, siya, guys? Nakita ko likod, hindi mo pero hindi siya nice kay pagkahimo. So,
it was really nice. I appreciate it.
Oh, yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, I really
You're
appreciate it.
welcome.
This is really an effortless. So, thank you so much lang, and keep doing it. Yeah, so, okay. Pwede na tayong kaon.
Pwede na.
Okay. Unsa may.
Yeah.
Ayun, diha pa rin sa kuha. Okay. So I love Ferrero Rocher. So yummy. This is from a friend of mine from work. This is really lovely. There are like 3 different kind of flowers here. And you know guys, I really love flowers. And even my husband and even my daughter, we really love flowers. Oh my goodness. Parang ano to siya eh, buhay na mano sa summer, sa spring. So thank you so much. This is from my friend from work, from Monica. So I do appreciate it. And thank you. And yeah, I'm gonna buy more, but this is really... You love this?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This one familiar.
Familiar?
Yeah.
And this one, I like this one. So I don't see this much open.
So this one Philippines. This one.
Really?
This one. Yeah.
This one, we have this coming up during, you know, spring. So thank you, Monica. And I love this one so much. Next, but not the least. Okay. This is from my husband. Okay, so, syempre, pag husband na ang pag-usapan, special talaga. Okay? Super special. The smallest gift, and guess what? This is really expensive. So, he bought earrings for me. This is a gold one. There are like 3 different kind of gold in these earrings. So, galing pa ito ng Bahrain. Is it Bahrain? Yeah, Bahrain. Galing pa ito ng Bahrain, guys. So, nagta-travel pa ito from Bahrain to USA. I love this one. Look at that. Yeah, so it's really nice. So, I love this one. I don't know if I can wear this because I don't want to...
Because
ayokong masira siya. Super ganda. So, he bought me a lot, but this is really the special one. Yeah, so thank you so much, my dear husband. Okay, so I think there's more here. I know there is more. Somebody's texting me and said that she has the gift on the way to my home, but it's not arriving yet. Yeah, okay, so this is from Sandy, Tad, and George, the one who gave me the dried fish. Thank you so much, Dai. I really appreciate that. Okay, there's a $20. This is from Ate Nira, ama ng asawa ko, nagtatrabaho. Friend. So, meron din $20 kay Ate Arlene. So, thank you, Ate Arlene. Meron ako mga sobre somewhere. Hindi ko na ginasto yung pera. Meron akong pera, may mesa na sobre yung dati. Okay, so, yeah, hindi ko na babasahin. So, thank you so much, guys. And I really appreciate everything you've given to me, and God bless you. And yeah, babawi na lang po ako sa susunod kasi lahat naman tayo magbe-birthday. So, that's all for today, guys, and thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to comment down below, subscribe,
and hit the notification bell.
and
I don't know.
that's all. That's all. Okay, so bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.